Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you step by step how you can use the command shortcuts for communication with the Comet AI web browser. So let us dive into this. Now you can use these shortcuts for faster communication and navigation to websites, for example, by simply communicating with the artificial intelligence here in Comet AI. So what you want to do, guys, is simply launch the Comet AI web browser. And here on your home screen, you will see that communication box. You can enter your command to give Perplexity AI, which is the artificial intelligence that runs Comet AI, the command to redirect you, for example, to a specific website. Now, you can do this by simply entering your command here. However, guys, there are also so-called shortcuts that may accelerate that navigation and communication. To access these, simply left-click into that box, and you will see, for example, some shortcut suggestions below. All you need to do, guys, is, for example, use one of these suggestions. However, if you'd like to create a new one, simply add the command / and after that, you may use one of these, for instance, or you may, for instance, simply create your personal or customized shortcut by simply adding your content here after that / symbol. After that, press enter. And the artificial intelligence will follow your instruction and find the latest news, in this case here, for example, for Canada. Like in a normal conversation with the artificial intelligence, you know, from other chat agents, like for instance, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and so on and so forth, Grok. So if you'd like to use that, guys, you may also narrow down that search, for instance, and use that ask follow-up question, and this time press / and after that latest news and Canada, I don't know, for instance, politics or sports or something like that. Or you may convert the given shortcut into, or save it as a shortcut for later so that you don't have to enter it again here. You may do that by simply scrolling down to the provided, to the bottom of the provided response by Perplexity AI, and here at the bottom of it you will see that option add shortcuts. So let me just remove that one here. Click into it, and after that you may customize that command and save it as a shortcut. There you go. You may give specific instructions below, give it a name here, also access advanced settings, select a specific language model, the type of sources like websites, for instance, or academic institutions, and save the given shortcut for later. And from now on you can use that shortcut, for example, for your future navigation and communication, guys, and that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.